guys, it's Atmostar once again on this lesson. So welcome to the Arduino lesson 8, and in this lesson we'll be looking at how we can decrease the LED blinking rate when we press the tag push button, right? So as we saw in the last tutorial, when we press the tag push button, we increased the LED blinking rate. So this is opposite that, right? So in this lesson, when we're pressing the button, when we press the tap push button, we're decreasing the LED blinking rate. So in this code, the sketch decreases the blinking rate of an LED connected to pin 12 with the tag push button connected to pin 8 on the Arduino board. So in this project, the rate of the blinking LED is decreased using the tag push button. That is, when the button is pressed and released multiple times, the LED blinks slower and slower till it reaches the minimum blinking rate. And moving over to the code, so we've declared the minimum blinking rate and the maximum blinking rate as in the last lesson, and also these functions here, which are the button press and the debounce are actually new. We are conversant with these two functions here, right? And also we have declared the LED pin and initialized to pin 12, the button pin initialized to pin 8, and also as in the last as in Arduino lesson 7, we've declared our blinking rate, blink rate, wait, and start time, and the state. And moving over to the void setup, the pin mode, we've set the LED pin to output, and we've set the button pin to an input. We've also initialized the blink rate to the maximum blinking rate and the wait to the minimum blink rate plus 100. And when we move over to the void loop, right, we would see that we have just almost the same line of code we had in the previous lesson. So here we check for when a button is pressed. When a button is pressed, we decrease the blinking rate of the LED. And here we have this line of code here, as in the last lesson, prevents the program from stalking while waiting for a button press, right? And also here we've implemented our button press as in the last lesson, and also our debounce as in the last lesson. So having looked at the software for this tool, let's move over to the hardware. So in the hardware, you would see that we have our battery here, and the Arduino board, the LED, the two resistors, and the tag push button. Please, while using this circuit, ensure to connect this circuit just exactly as it is here. And if you are in conversant with using the breadboard, which is this white dotted block over here, if you are in conversant with using it, please visit the video on breadboard I created just some time ago. So let's go over with the connection. So the pin, the positive pin of the battery is connected to the V in of the Arduino. The negative pin is connected to the ground of the Arduino, and the pin 8 is connected to one pin of the tag push button, which is grounded also, which functions as a default value for the pin 8. So the default value the pin 8 reads is ground, which is low. So when we press the button, it reads a high, because this other pin here is connected to pin to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. As you can see here, it's connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. And also the positive pin of the LED is connected to pin 12, and the negative pin of the LED is grounded through this 220 ohm resistor. Here is also grounded. Okay, so having looked at the hardware circuit, must now move over to the video of this lesson. So this video that will be coming up next was created by one of our students, Nadi Joseph, from the Government Technical College, Ikoton. So he was the one that created the video. So in the video, you would see that when he was pressing the button, the tag push button, the LED, the blinking red LED was decreasing. So we uploaded it here because a contest was staged for students that would pass the circuit creation and the code, and he was the one that passed it. So we are uploading his video just after this this video. So the video coming up next is his video you would be seeing. So enjoy the video and have a nice time. Do not forget to subscribe to the Robotics channel and like the video if you found it very useful, and do not forget to also share with your friends and enthusiasts of the tech world. With that being said, have a nice time.